We have 2 channels on national Canadian television, the accessible channel and voice print. They're available as must-carry on every digital cable box, every satellite receiver. The mission of the company is to make media accessible to blind and low vision Canadians, as well as anyone who has difficulty accessing media. We have 12 locations across the country. Our commitment is to deliver content to that audience, as well as any Canadian interested. In Hamilton, Applied has implemented a router for our master control. The master control was previously designed as a pass-through process, but it doesn't allow a lot of flexibility in terms of if something goes wrong or in terms of live switching. So Applied had a look at our design, our current workflow, then they went back, recommended appropriate solutions, and having Applied evolve from the design stage to choice of the product itself, to the wiring and implementation, integration, and then finally to the training of our personnel is really helpful. One thing that's going on, moving from the tape-based workflow to the file-based workflow, is you have a tremendous merging of the IT world and the broadcast engineering world. Applied knows this, and they have expertise from both, and they seem to have mastered in terms of how those things can work together in a positive way. They have numerous experts that I've known for a while in the industry, also from previous jobs I've had, who were helpful start to finish, and they continue to help us solve any problems that we run into. They want to get to know you as a customer. They hold numerous events throughout the year to get us together. Something that I like is I've met other colleagues through this experience working elsewhere, and we've been able to trade stories. Applied seems to value that one-on-one relationship very well with the numerous partners and broadcasters we have in the industry. On any large project, you have a number of stakeholders, a number of people who need to be invested in the process, a number of voices that need to be heard. And going in, we attempted to get all of those requirements listed. Applied believes in that process because they took that, were able to form it into a solution that can work, and then along the process, as it evolves, they're willing to change that based on new requirements that were thought of over time from the brainstorming, from looking at the solution and then molding it into what ends up being the final solution. And that's why I'd recommend it.